because guess what came today? The rug! So I'm going to be putting it together. I'm pretty excited about it, so let's see how it looks. So I'm not gonna lie, when I had to pick out a rug, I was really afraid of pulling the trigger because I thought, what if it doesn't look good together with the furniture I got, or it doesn't work well in the space? I knew I really wanted a runner because it would go really well. I didn't think I needed to cover the entire space, and it is exactly that. It looks so good, but blends really well with the furniture. Even though this came in the mail, and it was in the mail a long time, the bubbles weren't too bad when I pulled it out, but I hope that after a few days it would relax. The texture is amazing. It seems perfect for an outdoor rug. It's not too rough, but it's just the right amount of softness, and I can tell it will go really well in the weather. Now, as far as those bubbles, they were pretty kind of bad, especially on the edges, but it wasn't really in places that we could trip on. So I thought, maybe a few days will help it settle down and calm down a bit. And as I suspected, it was really did just that. So the front has an even different stitching, and so it's even harder to trip on that, and it's very flat. So with our little girls, that's really important to me, and it's definitely gonna be a winner. We've enjoyed it so far. It's super nice. The color is perfect. It does not show the dirt, and super happy with everything so far. I'm looking forward to having the lattice put together with it. So the best test of a rug is, I suppose, how my dad always tests it, which is laying down. Because how you know if it's laying down, well, unless you do. So here goes nothing. Oh yeah, look at that. It gave me volume. This rug is better than Pantene Pro V. Seriously though, it's not so bad. So I would give this 9 out of 10 volumes up. So far, this has been a successful install with this overstock.ca rug. It actually got rerouted. Now remember I tell you it was taking so stinking long. And finally they updated their shipping manifest, and it said it actually got lost and routed to the wrong place. So yeah. But it's here now, so all's forgiven, and I'm just going to be enjoying this rug. Next thing to come is the thing to hold up the lattice, so I'm very excited to be getting that. Hopefully it comes here soon. It's supposed to be Friday. Today is, I don't even know what day it is. I think that the day is Monday. So 4 more days, too much math for not enough coffee, but I'm excited to get that. And so once I get the things to put it up, I'm going to put it up, and then we'll see what goes from there. So right, today is the day. My hooks came, so I'm super excited. It's been a month that I was waiting on Amazon to deliver these, and I also got a tripod. So I'm gonna put this up there today, and I'll have it on the tripod, so it should be smoother, better, and we'll see how it looks. Yeah. Stoked about what a little bit of elbow grease will do for you. So it's up, it looks great, at least to me. And I'm really excited for the next phase, which is gonna get a few bits of plants and get them up here. And we'll we'll see how it turns out. But that'll be where I'm filming next. Stick around, like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Once again, welcome to A Quiet Soul CA, where you never know what you'll find here, but it's always something fun.